to the island of Santorini, and this is the famous caldera of the volcano. Look at that church just perched right up there on the edge.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. As we are now approaching the island of Santorini, we would like to invite all our passengers to join us on the open decks to see the beautiful entry in the caldera. Ladies and gentlemen, after seeing the arrival in the caldera, all passengers participating in the excursions should meet and wait in the Stars Lounge, deck number 8 at 3:45 p.m. I repeat, 3:45 p.m. meeting point for all passengers participating in the excursions in the Stars Lounge on deck number 8. All our individual passengers not participating in the excursions are kindly requested to meet and wait in the upper decks in the lounges or to wait even in the cabins for disembarking announcements. Ladies and gentlemen, today we will disembark using tender boats. For those of you who did not collect yet the tender boat tickets, you are kindly invited in the reception of deck number 7 to collect your tender priority ticket. Once you have the ticket, please wait for the disembarking announcements calling your tender boat number. For all our passengers disembarking definitively today in the port of Santorini, you are kindly informed that final disembarking guests will disembark with the last tender boat, and the specific announcement will be made for final disembarking guests. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to remind all our passengers that the last tender boat coming back from the island of Santorini on board will leave this evening the island of Santorini at 8:15 p.m. I repeat, the last tender boat coming back on board from the island of Santorini will be this evening at 8.
Apparently,
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your attention.
volcano
Have an excellent afternoon.
is one of two super volcanoes
Señoras y señores, muy
in
buenas
all of
tardes.
Europe,
Como
the other
estamos
one
ahora
being
acercando la isla de
Mount
Santorini, queremos
Vesuvius.
informar a todos nuestros pasajeros que pueden salir en las cubiertas abiertas para ver la entrada en la caldera. Después, todos los pasajeros que participan en excursiones tienen que encontrarse en el Salón Stars, cubierta número 8, a las 4 menos cuarto de la tarde. Repetimos, 13:45 minutos de la tarde, encuentro para todos los pasajeros que participan en excursiones en el Salón Stars, cubierta número 8. Todos los pasajeros individuales, pasajeros que no participan en excursiones, tienen que esperar los anuncios de desembarque. Hoy desembarcamos en lanchas. Es por eso que todos los pasajeros que no participan en excursiones tiene que haber un número por la lancha. Si no tienen hasta ahora el número, están invitados en la recepción cubierta número 7 para coger su número. Una vez que tienen el número, rogamos a todos los pasajeros individuales de esperar los anuncios de desembarque que llama su número de lancha. Por favor, esperan en las
We're going on a
abiertas o en
guided
salones de
tour
baño.
when we dock.
Señoras y señores, la última
We'll
lancha
have a
que vuelve
tender
a bordo del
take us
puerto de Santorini
to land and then take a bus. We're going to go to a couple different villages apparently that line the top of the caldera.
Muchas gracias por su atención. Deseamos a todos una excelente tarde in Santorini. Meine Damen und Herren, einen wunderschönen Nachmittag. Wir möchten alle unsere Gäste informieren, dass wir kommen jetzt in die Caldera von Santorini an. Deswegen wir laden alle unsere Gäste auf die ebene Decke, den Eingang in die Caldera zu sehen.
It's quite warm. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon on Thursday.
In der Stars Lounge auf Deck Nummer 8 15:45 eingeladen. Ich wiederhole, Treffpunkt für alle Gäste, die eine Ausflug gebucht haben, ist in der Stars Lounge Deck Nummer 8 15:45 Alle individuelle Gäste, die keine Ausflug gebucht haben, dürfen für die Ausschiffung zuwarten. Heute wird Ausschiffung in Tenderboot, deswegen alle individuelle Gäste, die keine Ausflug gebucht haben.
Apparently there's 3 ways to get up to the top from the area that the people not on the excursion can take. You can walk on a trail. Apparently it's about 1,000 steps and takes about an hour to get up. You can tank a donkey, which apparently is the classic way to do it, but they actually strongly recommend against it. They said it's quite dangerous and people do often fall off. Or you can take a gondola type ride from the bottom to the top. But for our excursion, they're going to take us to a different port where we'll be able to board a bus, and the bus will take us up to the top to a couple different villages. So, alright, well, I will pause the recording until we get closer.